Is this
Yes,
fine?
done.
Yeah.
Yes, it's fine. So, good evening, Sarla.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so do I address you as Sarla or do I address you as Sweetie?
No, ma'am. Sarala.
Okay, so tell me a little about yourself, Sarla. I
So,
think we're meeting for
I
the first time, and I also think after your demo session, is this your first session?
yeah, this is my first
Yes,
session.
right. Okay, so tell me a little about yourself.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. My name is Sarla. I'm from the state of Andhra Pradesh. I'm currently living in Kodmur, which is in Kurnool district. I'm currently pursuing my final year graduation with BSc Computers. And coming to my hobbies, in my spare time, I love to listen to music and spending time with my family members and traveling and gardening and reading books also.
Oh
So
my
this is
God,
all.
so many interests you have.
But
Okay, you
whenever
said
I
garden.
sorry,
Okay, you said gardening, listening to music, then
traveling.
traveling. Yeah. So have you traveled widely?
No, so I travel in my state places only.
Tell me a little about the sites or the things that I can see if I were to visit Andhra Pradesh.
So you can visit a lot of historical places like Lepakshi. So it is a historical place you can visit,
What
and
is Lake Pakshi?
Tirupati.
What exactly will I find if I go there?
So there are a lot of rocks is there and
Ah,
beautiful places and greenery places also there.
okay. So it's you mean are there some temples there or it is just structures, rock structures?
Ancient temples are there, and a lot of visitors also visits the things, and they can shoot some videos there. So it is
Yeah.
famous.
Lepakshi. Okay, okay. Nice. All right. Then,
And then so Tirupati is also, I think it is a
yes,
famous.
Tirupati Balaji. Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, you should have mentioned him first. Right.
So apart
Then,
from my
there is also,
English,
I heard from another learner just 2 days ago that there is a Tirupati, Visa Tirupati.
Bizarre
Visa
Tirupati.
Tirupati. You haven't heard
No, I
about it.
did.
Oh, he said, like, anybody who's applied for a visa and is waiting for it, you just have to go and pray, offer your prayers there, and your prayers come true. So I said, that's wonderful. And he's called Visa Tirupati, Tirupati
Bizarre
Balaji. Yeah. What was your motivation to join the platform, Sarla?
So I want to improve my grammar things. So I have my own
Yeah.
YouTube channel with the name of
Wonderful.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what do you do? What kind of topic do you, uh, content do you, do on YouTube? Huh.
In my YouTube channel, I express myself. So how I am learning English. So what are the steps we should do in the beginning stage? So how we can improve English through the books and through the listening. So these are stuff I can tell the
Share
people.
with the right. How long have you been into this
So January 1st, I started my YouTube channel.
journey?
Unfortunately, I didn't upload some videos because of my exams and everything. So whenever I get a free time, just I upload my videos.
Wonderful. So, what kind of a feedback are you getting from your YouTube channel?
So I get a positive manner. So they gave a beautiful comments in the comment section. I always honor.
That's very encouraging. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so Sarla, let me just give you a brief introduction about myself. My name is Anitha Sudhir, and I'm speaking to you from Kerala, okay, from a place called Kannur.
Yeah,
I
I know.
did my yeah, so I did my education from Bangalore, and I grew up also in Bangalore. And I've been working as a freelance trainer, English language trainer, for the last 10 years. I also do the IELTS training alongside. That's a short introduction about myself. So, Sarla, shall we dive into our topic for today? So we generally on this platform, okay, in case you're not aware, I'm not sure what kind of a demo you got, but on all our sessions here, we have a topic that we discuss, a topic that is given to us. Okay, so in this topic, we'll have questions all related to that particular topic. You'll have some vocabulary, maybe you'll have some idioms and phrases that you could learn related to this topic. okay, and some activities related to it. So this gives us a sense of direction. We'll know how to go about it, what kind of questions we could ask, and it will give you plenty of opportunity to speak, to converse, okay, freely. And so I think, shall we go right away and start? We'll have a look at what today's topic is. Okay. So can you find it on your screen, Sarla? So next to your chat option, you have a PDF icon. Can you see it?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. What is your daily routine like?
I woke up at 6 o'clock each and every single day, and
Mm-hmm.
I fresh up myself, and I do meditation, and also I worship the God. So I
Mm-hmm.
do my breakfast. Then I do some house chores, and I read some books, and I listen to some music. And I mostly I prefer spending time with my family members, and also I do my works if I get any means any projects in my college. So I do all the things, and in the evening times I'll play with kids of my cousins' kids. So and after
You're a child at heart.
in night time, so I'll spend a lot of time with my brother. So we fight each other.
Why do you think having a routine is important?
So in future if we want to we want to achieve something, so we definitely pre-planned whatever we do.
All right. Are you a strict follower of routine? Do you do everything in a routine manner?
No, no, no.
Right. Okay. What do you have to say about people who do things at their own convenience? That is, they don't follow any kind of a routine. What is your opinion about such people?
So in their ideology how they want to follow, they can follow. So
Mm-hmm. But do
my
you think it's
perception,
good if they don't have a routine? Do you think it's advisable if they don't have a routine? They do just what comes to their mind. There's no routine as such. So they do precisely what they want. So do you think that's good?
no, no, it's not a good thing, and they become lazy.
Yeah. And they
The
maybe they can't focus on their goals.
career goals.
So whenever you say a rhythm means a natural flow of something. Don't we say rhythm of music? There's a natural flow to music. There's a rhythm to music that you listen to. You said you listen to music very often. Isn't there a rhythm to it? Correct?
Yes,
There is a rhythm to the music also, right? So
yes,
we use rhythm in different sentences and in different contexts. Okay. Shall we just have a look at them?
yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So the rhythm of routine is important for a smooth flow of regular events of life. Now, even when we talk about the rain, we say it has a very soothing rhythm. Do you agree?
Yes, yeah,
Rain. Yeah? Like some people can sit and listen for hours to the rain because there's some kind of a soothing rhythm to it. Okay. Similarly, a person cannot, when we say a person cannot sing in rhythm, it means he needs to practice more.
yes,
Correct? Yeah. So when we say rhythm, that means it is something that happens in a flow that needs to be done, okay, step by step. And it is something, and this particular thing is about the rhythm of routine. That is, we do something in a very systematic manner. Right?
yeah.
Okay, so I think we have come to the end of our session and it's feedback time already so fast. Yeah,
Really,
Sarla? Yeah.
really.
So shall I give you feedback, Sarla? Shall I?
Sure. Yeah.
Right. Right. Okay. So, Sarla, I want you to, I must say that you should focus on using the tenses, okay, like your past tense, your present tense, okay. So that needs a little bit of focusing, right? Can I suggest something for you? Okay, now if
Yeah.
you want to quickly pick up, the tenses, what you can start doing is from today is to maintain something called a journal. Don't
Yes.
Yeah, all right.